So now tell me, how is this not a crime for a dealership to ask you $400? $400 to change one fog light. One. Anyway, let's start the video. What's up, y'all? DIY-Elie here. I got this 2014 BMW X1 here. The fog light is all busted, and I need to remove and replace it now. The other one is kind of busted too, which I think I'm gonna remove as well and replace, but I kind of want to get that one out of the way first because it looks really bad. Now, I watched a whole lot of videos to see how to remove it. Some videos, they're able to remove them from right up here, but I don't think this car is the same as the other BMWs I see they remove from here. So I was trying to find a way to be able to just take that off. Let me show you. So if you look down here, from there, I don't know if you're able to see it, but it's in here, up there. You see it? It's up there. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove this bolt right here, so I can remove this part to see if I can actually get to it and unscrew it and put the new one in. Here we go. Let's see if that will give me enough space to get to it up there. So I am able to bend this a little bit like this, and I think I can get to the screws. You see? I'm going to try to do it this way and see. I'm trying to get to the difficult ones first. So first, let me try to detach this here. Here we go. So now let's try to remove these screws. So there are basically three. I'm able to reach them. 1, 2, and 3. That's what I'm going to remove. Got one out. So right here from under, I already removed the top one here. Now this is the second one over here. And then the third one there. Let me get... It's not so difficult, it's just a little hard to get to. I'm trying to film it for y'all, that's why. And you should be able to remove the rest just with your hand. There, I got all three out. And just pull it out. Yep. That wasn't so bad. That thing is busted. Look at that. It's the old one, and this is the new one. Well, so let's go ahead and install it real quick. All right, so that shouldn't be so hard to put it back in. Let me put this phone down and fix it, then I'll show you. So basically, you just put the new one in and make sure you make sure the screws are tight enough. That's it. So I'm gonna remove the light bulb as well. There we go. Replace that with a new one and put it back where it was. Alright, so just put it in. Here we go. Make sure this is in there. Good. And put the screw back. There you go. That's it. Let me show you. I was able to get both of them off. So now, this is what this looks like. Nice, right? And on this side, look at that. Brand new. Now, I was asked $400 at the dealership. No kidding, $400 for them to just remove one of them and replace it. $400. Huh? And both of them cost me less than $50 and less than 30 minutes of labor. You cannot be DIYing. This is the reason why I DIY a lot of things, because of this right here. So, I hope this video was helpful. Peace.